this project is really around how can we make the environment more supportive. So giving people independence and whether we can use technology and what design. The MenzShed are great with problem solving, they're great with designing solutions. So we're really keen to go to the community and say, what are the challenges you have? In your home, what are the things that don't work for you that are limiting, or that means that you have to get someone to come and help because you can't do it yourself? So what are those challenges? And if we can have a look at those and people can share their experience with us, then we can go to work on that, get the design team, get some of the guys in the shed who've got some really good skills and some knowledge that they can problem solve some of these things with.
We started off almost 3 years ago now, and then at the beginning of this year we had a solid plan to start off. We had obtained the trailer. That's been an ongoing project, but we've finally got the trailer, and we then engaged one of our members who is a builder to assist in the building. So it took place over 3 days a week and took round about 5-6 weeks to get it from the trailer stage to the closed-in. So we had a lot of support from our local retailers and companies. Mitre 10 came on board and supplied all the flooring and the underfloor insulation, and some building wrap and other bits and pieces, both as a donation and at a very good cost. So very grateful to them.
One of the offshoots of the Halswell MenzShed is a manufacturing company making compost toilets for tiny homes and camper vans.
Yeah.
And so the profits that they generate are given to charity, and we've been very fortunate to receive many thousands of dollars from MenzShed as a contribution towards the tiny home.
So Steel and Tube came on board and they supplied the roofing, spouting, flashings and other bits and pieces for that type of thing. Big thank you to them.
That's going to be a great outcome, and for us it's about creating a solution where we can demonstrate how people can live more independently using design and technology. We want to create more spaces here on site, so this is a chance for us to test things, design some better solutions and be able to support people who are at the moment a lot of the time stuck in hospitals, or people are stuck in hospitals because people here can't move out. There isn't anywhere for them to go. There isn't the affordable, accessible accommodation. So we're looking to solve some of those problems and at least create some scenarios where people can go, oh, look, maybe I could do this, or if I had that, then that would make it possible for me. So we're looking to be able to show people some alternatives to the options they've got on the table at the moment.